Namaste yogis. In today's video, we will explore the science of breath. We can live without food for few days. We can live without water for few hours. But without breath, we can't imagine to survive. We are using breath every second, but we are not aware of it. The moment you become aware of your breath, the great transformation comes to your life. The Buddha explained breath as the most important tool to stay calm and relaxed. Even Osho's Vipassana meditation is all about breath awareness. But we are using wrong breath, and that is why we are getting so many diseases, so many problems in our lives, whether it is in our outside world or inner world. And your breath and mind are well interconnected. When your breath is running fast, you become more stressed, more anxieties come to you, and you feel depression. When your breath is slow and calm, you feel relaxed, you stay calm and feel top of the world. Only the right kind of breath can give you better results. And that is why we are facing high blood pressure, cholesterol issues, diabetes, cancer, thyroid, asthma, and many mental disorders like depression, over anxiety, over stress, overthinking, and the list goes on. In deep breathing, we use long time to inhale and long time to exhale. We are extending our prana, which is called breath. When we extend our breath and we exhale for long, our vagus nerve, our parasympathetic system gets activated. The parasympathetic nervous system, which is also called the moon energy of your body, it puts your body into repair and digest mode. With so many tensions coming around you, you are always occupied with sympathetic system, which is called fight and flight mode. And that is what happening to 99% of people. Only our yogis know what is the secret behind this breath. The secret is breathing. Your brain gets enough supply of oxygen as well as blood. Sit in any comfortable position. Both hands into Chin Mudra position. Keep your back straight. Now I am going to inhale, exhale through the nostrils. While inhaling, your stomach should expand like a balloon, and with exhale, your stomach should contract. It means we are inhaling, exhaling through our Manipur chakra, the solar plexus chakra, which is the energy center of our body, where all the energy channels are interconnected. The blood and oxygen goes to every organ of the body. And as your organs gets oxygen, it gets more healthy. It gets enough supply of oxygen as well as blood. With deep breathing, your parasympathetic nerve, which is also called vagus nerve, it easily gets activated. And vagus nerve is the main nerve of the body, which is reaching to your brain, heart, pancreas, and liver system. When the vagus nerve is functioning smoothly, your all internal organs' health improves. It is belly breathing, where your belly is expanding and contracting. Make sure to keep your breath slow and deep. Observe your breath to the last moment. When your brain gets enough oxygen supply, your brain produces happiness hormones like dopamine and serotonin, which keeps you happy and enlightened. This technique is mostly used in yogic practices. In Ashtanga Yoga, the pranayama has been given so much importance because in pranayama you extend your breath, you extend your life force so that you remain healthy for a long time. Also, deep breathing activates your nervous system, and the brain is the main center of your body. When the brain is healthy, the rest of the body remains perfect. Stay blessed.